We're loving Fuerteventura. In the short time we've been here, we've paddled in a lagoon, hiked the highest mountain on the island, and we've relaxed and enjoyed our time in Morro. In today's episode, we're squeezing in 5 fantastic attractions. We're driving into the mountains, exploring a cave, discovering the oldest town on the island, admiring some incredible statues, and being blown away by some breathtaking views. So sit back and relax, and if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe. Good morning from just outside of Costa Calma. We're relaxing on a balcony this morning after rather an energetic day's tiring day's worth of hiking. So this morning our day starts with a cup of tea, and then once we've had a few moments, we've got ready, we'll be heading out. Camper van's on its way. We stayed on the beach the previous night. I can only imagine. No, this is not our car. This is our car.
So we're taking this road up to a viewpoint up in the mountains. We like views, but this time we're not walking to the viewpoint. We're driving. On the map there's supposed to be a river to our right. Well, a river, stream, but there is nothing, just bone dry. Popular route for cyclists. Maybe it's nice on their return journey when they just roll. It's a bit worse than Fish Hill, I would suggest. Fish Hill? I'll tell you the story one day.
Right, our first stop off. We're heading up there. So there's ample parking for your car. Should allow you ample time up here. We've arrived at Ajuy and we're heading for the caves. It's very pretty here. Love that. Well, I'm guessing those are the caves. We'll head over there in a moment. They used to dig up lime a long time ago, and it was gradually replaced by the importation of cement. Time to venture into a cave. Do like a nice cave, as you know. This goes in really quite far. This is a cave and a half. I think this is where I stop. Quite difficult underfoot the further you go on. You can hear the sound of the waves crashing against this cave. Heading back, we thought we'd spend a few moments on the beach. Another little cave. Ah, there's two. But I am very, very close to the sea that looks as if it wants to come in. I better play safe. That's cool though. This shaped stone is supposed to represent the handprint of Neptune. See what they mean? Where the fingers would go. Sand is glistening in the sunshine. For our next destination, we headed up. The roads narrowed, and the sight of concrete pillars were no reassurance. We've pulled in here for this viewpoint. From here, we've got to continue our journey all the way down there. Parked up again. And we've just arrived in the historic town of Betancuria, the oldest town on the island. Stopped up here. Stunning vista. While we're up here, we're going to find ourselves a geocache. It'd be rude not to. Nice little pathway down here. You probably wouldn't even know it was here. And next to this pathway, this. That's where we were. Betancuria. Or Betancuria, I don't know. That's where we were. If you do come to the town, we recommend you then drive up the hill to these statues for some more great views. We've just driven up not far from the statues to this point. We've stopped up here for these views. So this is Mirador Morro, Velosa. I don't know what this was in its time. Shame it's shut down. This place is incredible for its views.